You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, remote engine start, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.